Guys, I want to show you something on, man, all the stuff I did to the Rebel here. Let's talk about this rear fender first. This was actually moved back 6 inches because I wanted to get it lower to the tire. See this right here? That's where the driver's seat was actually mounted. And this was actually over here. See where it's indented a little bit? I actually had to make that so to clear the frame. So we actually moved this back. And I made, I made the scallop on there like that. Then the fender come out to about here. So I cut about a foot off the fender. But yeah, this was actually moved this way. What is that, like maybe 7-8 inches. And there was all kind of welding, Bondo work. There was, this probably took me, the rear fender probably took me about 2, maybe 3 weeks to make. I'm still looking for another one, because this is sold. This is sold. This is going to be going next month. And I want to get one this same year because I want to make exact same color. I want to put the same handlebars on. I'm going to make the fender exactly the same. Maybe I'll make this a little longer. I'm going to mount the light. Everything is going to be exactly the same way. That's why I'm making this video, so I remember what I did. But yeah, because the fender used to sit up real high. So I wanted the fender to sit a little lower. In order for me to do that, I had to move it that way. And then in order to do that, I had to make this indentation here. I cut the metal out. I had to weld another piece of metal underneath there. And then I was going to make saddlebag supports. That's why this hole here, that's why that's there. Because I was going to make like miniature custom saddlebags for it, which I never did. But what I'm thinking of doing for the next one is I'm thinking of extending the swing arm about 4 inches. If I extend the swing arm, I have to make a longer rear brake rod. The support bracket down here, that holds your rear shoe in place. I have to make a longer one of those. Those all have to be custom made. I'll have to make that, and I'll have to make that. Chain guard I'll have to custom make also. Let me show you guys my the pipes I'm making for the Hayabusa. What I did is I cut the backs off. Here's the backs where the chrome caps used to bolt onto. Their history. What we're going to do is I'm going to make 3 pipes coming in the back like that. That's what we're going to do. And this is all aluminum, okay? The outer skin's aluminum, the brackets are aluminum. The inside part is steel. I might put I think what I'll do is I'm going to put a block off plate on this. We'll put a block off plate on that way it'll give it more back pressure. And then this would be made of aluminum, and the 3 pipes will be aluminum. I ordered my aluminum rods. I ran out of aluminum rods, guys. Once they come in, we're going to finish this. And I have to buy the plate and the pipe, and we'll make our, these are going to be slick as hell, man. They're going to be nice. They're going to be we have to grind this down a lot more, and then we'll fill it in. So, I'll catch y'all later.